Good evening, student. Hope you all are good. Today we are starting with a new chapter of chemistry, that is chapter number 5, language of chemistry. Now in this chapter we will study different type of chemical reactions and their chemical equations and in which conditions those chemical reactions happen. Right, in this chapter we study all these things, right? So from the chapter's name you come to know that what is language of chemistry. Language of chemistry means in chemistry we study only chemical reactions, chemical process. In this chapter 2 we study only chemical reactions or chemical process and their chemical equations, right? So now we are starting with the chapter. Now as you know that in your daily to daily life there are number of chemical reactions are taking place, right? Formation of food is also a chemical reaction, right? Means in a chemical reaction it is a chemical change. Chemical change means where a new product is formed, that we have done in class 6-2, right? So what are the chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a reaction in which new products are formed from reactants, right? So chemical reaction is a change where new substance with new properties are formed. They are called chemical reaction, right? So another name of chemical reaction is a chemical change. We can say that it is a chemical change, right? So that means reactants are converting into products and the products that are formed have different chemical property than the reactants, and it is a permanent change. It is not a reversible change. Permanent मतलब एक बार हो गया दोबारा नहीं होगा, ठीक है? So it is a irreversible change, right? So for example photosynthesis process, food digestion, ठीक है? हम खाना खाते हैं and the food is broken down to produce energy, right? So it is a chemical change. Respiration, we are breathing and respiration is a chemical change. Rotting of food, food का खराब हो जाना, rusting, it is a chemical change, right? Some more examples are given here, right? For example, reaction of hydrogen oxygen to form water. Reaction of oxygen and hydrogen to form water. For example, if hydrogen react with oxygen, it will form water, right? It will form water. So we have to balance it, right? So this is water. Water is formed by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas. So this is a chemical equation. Hydrogen and oxygen give rise to water, right? Same if we take nitrogen and hydrogen, it will form ammonia. They are reactants, it is a product, right? Left hand side reactant, right hand side product, right? Next we have zinc plus hydrochloric acid give rise to zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. This is the process of formation of hydrogen gas in the laboratory. ठीक है, we have done some practicals also, right? That I have shown you and I have uploaded the video in your group also. So if we take zinc granule, the formula of zinc is Zn. If we take zinc granule and we put hydrochloric acid, ठीक है, what it will form? This part of the molecule will go towards the zinc, so it will form zinc chloride, right, plus hydrogen gas will release out. So it is a chemical reaction. Calcium carbonate, you know about marbles, stone देखिए सबने. This is the formula of calcium carbonate, is the chemical name of marble. Its formula is CaCO3, right? It will break when heat pass through calcium. जब इसको burn करते हैं marble को, it will result in the formation of calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas will release out. So it is a chemical reaction. Next we take a magnesium, ठीक है? Magnesium का ribbon होता है, right? We take a magnesium, ठीक है? Magnesium को हम जलाएंगे. We burn the magnesium in the presence of oxygen. What it will form? It will form ash, ठीक है? What is the formula of ash in this case? Magnesium oxide, right? Next we have If we burn methane gas, it will form carbon dioxide, water and heat. Right? So these reactions are called chemical reaction because here new product is formed. Right? The product, suppose A plus B result in the formation of C plus D. Now they both combine to give us a product that is C plus D. So A plus B is called reactant and C plus D is called product. The chemical properties of C plus D are different from A plus B. So here new product is formed, so it is a chemical change. Right? Next is a table is given in your book. Right? In this table, there are number of chemical reactions are written and we have to differentiate between reactant and products. Right? Here it is written carbon plus oxygen give rise to carbon dioxide. That means the element, the molecules that are on the left hand side, they are the reactant, and on the right hand side they are the products. Sodium plus chlorine, this is a reactant, it results in the formation of sodium chloride, so it is a product. Calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid, it's a reactant, it results in the formation of calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide, so it is a product. Right? Now we are doing chemical equation. So chemical mostly means all the chemical reactions are represented by the symbols. Okay, all the chemical reactions are represented by symbols, so that is called chemical equation. When a chemical reaction is represented by writing the names of the reactants and products, it is called chemical equation or word equation. Right? And the arrow between the reactant and product indicate the direction of the reaction, mean this will result in the formation of this. इससे ये बन रहे हैं, इससे ये नहीं बन रहा, reactant से product बन रहे हैं. Right? For example, the word equation for the reaction between the methane and oxygen, this is the word equation. So methane plus oxygen give rise to carbon dioxide plus water. This is a chemical equation. These are also chemical equations. Right? So today we will do till this part. Right? Hope you understand this topic, and if you have any problem you can ask me in the online class. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much.